Sound Byte to help introduce you to the Format Painter. I have created this sample page in Brightspace. If I want to, and I'll show you when I found this. Look at this. It has different fonts. It looks kind of crazy because it's all different. I want to make it all match. Now, you might encounter this in some of your pages. Sometimes it happens when you paste things in. But I will show you one thing that you can do when you're looking at things that look different like this. And these little X's here, I can click that to make it a little bit larger to work with it. Here I have my heading, I have some text, and then I'm talking about the value of math in education. And I have this format here. If I click on it, for instance, it'll give me ideas of the types of things. This is a heading 1. This is a heading 2. We want to use headings. It's good for accessibility. But this is considered paragraph. This is Meriwether 15 points, whereas this is Ariel Sans Serif. Now I could highlight this and then I could find the Ariel Sans Serif in here and try to match it that way. And then this one is caveat cursive, 16 points. So it just doesn't match. So let's try this. I like this one. This is the default. So if I highlight this, then there's this fun thing that looks like a paintbrush, a paint roller. I'm going to choose that paint roller. It's called the Format Painter. And when I click that, when I choose that, select it, and I have this highlighted, now you see my mouse pointer, it changes to the paint roller. I'm going to highlight the information that I want to match that format. And then you'll see that it changes it so that it matches it exactly. So now I have some more consistency in my page. For this one, here I have a heading 2. I want this one to also be a heading 2. I might be able to just choose heading 2 and have it change. Sometimes it works really well, sometimes it doesn't. The other thing that I can do is highlight a little bit here, and I can use my mouse painter and it will make it match. Then I want to change this paragraph about technical writing. I can just highlight any word, doesn't matter which one, that is in the format that I like. And then all I have to do is just paint this with a highlight. Now you say, but Laura, can I do this in other things? Yes, you can. Microsoft Word has this painter as well. We see it in Excel spreadsheets even. Here's an example in Google that if I decided that I liked the way that this mathematics paragraph looked, I can highlight a word, choose to paint, and this calls paint format instead of format painter, but they're still similar. And then all I have to do is highlight what I want and it will change it. I will note that because I didn't highlight the whole paragraph, it didn't change the whole paragraph. But you can easily adjust that. You can say, oops, I missed some, choose paint format again. And you can even go over other words that you've already done. It won't change them. So this is just one way to help you as you are looking at building more consistent pages for your students to access. Hope you enjoyed this 5-minute soundbite. Take care.